Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the brightness on Huawei smartwatches. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the watch's home screen to open the quick panel. Tap the settings cog to open the settings. Scroll down the settings and tap Display and Brightness. Then tap Brightness. Now you can use the slider to increase and decrease the brightness. You can also quickly change the brightness in the quick panel. Swipe down from the top of the home screen to open the quick panel. Then tap the brightness icon. Again, you can use the slider to increase and decrease the brightness. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei watch tips and tricks.